Hi, good morning to all. Today we discuss about the biology of plants. So here we are completely discussing about the six species of plants. One is the Macrobrachium rosenbergi, another one Macrobrachium malcolmsoni, another one Peneus monodon, and Peneus indicus, and Peneus semisulcatus, and another one Metapeneus dobsoni. These are the six species we are discussing now. So the first one, Macrobrachium rosenbergi. It's commonly called as giant freshwater prawn. Giant freshwater. So rostrum is long and it is present in the sword shaped and it bears, means this rostrum bears 13 to 14 rostral spines dorsally and 11 rostral spines ventrally, and sexual dimorphism is exhibited, and it attains a maximum length 32 centimeters for males and 25 centimeters for females, and it attains maximum weight 450 grams. So it is also known as largest freshwater prawn amongst the all freshwater prawns. It is the largest freshwater prawn is Macrobrachium rosenbergi, and where it is present, it is mainly occurs in the estuaries, rivers and coastal areas. The breeding season is in the east coast waters. It is December to July, and it peaks in the March to May. In the west coast rivers, it is August to December. The breeding season in the west coast river is August to December. In the east coast, it is December to July, and the peak period is March to May. So Macrobrachium rosenbergi, it's commonly called as giant freshwater prawn. Rostrum is long and it's present in the sword shape, and this rostrum bears 13 to 14 rostral spines dorsally and 11 rostral spines ventrally, and sexual dimorphism is exhibited, and it attains a maximum length for males is 32 centimeters, for females it's 25 centimeters, and they attains maximum weight 450 grams, and this one is the largest freshwater prawn, and it present in the estuaries, rivers and coastal areas, and the breeding season in the east coast water it is December to July, and west coast waters it is August to December, and peak period is March to May, and it attains first sexual maturity when they reach it to the 14 centimeters. Thus time they will get first sexual maturity for female prawns, and the fecundity is 7,000 to 50,000, and it is a omnivorous bottom feeder, means it feeding molluscs and worms, insects and small crustaceans and vegetable matter. It's about the Macrobrachium rosenbergi, and next one, Macrobrachium malcolmsoni. It's commonly called as a river prawn. Rostrum is short and straight. Here the rostrum bears 11 to 12 dorsal spines, and ventral side it bears 4 to 5 ventral spines, and sexual dimorphism is exhibited, and second pair legs are larger than the body and stout part, and snout part, and it maximum attains a length of 23 centimeters for males and 20 centimeters of female. And these Macrobacterium malcolmsoni exhibit migrations, and it migrate from rivers to estuaries, especially in the breeding season time. Macrobacterium malcolmsoni migrate rivers to estuaries during the breeding season, and it breeds during April to November, and a peak period is June to July, and they attain the first sexual maturity at 4 centimeters of age, and the fecundity is 4,000 to 60,000, and it is a benthopagic omnivore, means it feeds worms, insects, molluscs, crustaceans, weeds, and vegetable matter. Macrobacterium malcolmsoni, it's commonly called as a river prawn, and rostrum is short and straight, and a rostrum bears 11 to 12 dorsal spines and 4 to 5 ventral spines, and sexual dimorphism is exhibited, and second pair of legs are longer than the body and snout part, and it attains a maximum length of 23 centimeters for male and 20 centimeters for female, and they migrate from rivers to estuaries during the breeding season, and it attains first sexual maturity at size of 4 centimeters, and the breeding time during April to November, and peak is June to July, and it's a benthopagic omnivore, means it feeds worms, insects, molluscs, crustaceans, weeds, and vegetable matters. And next one, Peneus monodon. So it is commonly called as tiger prawn or jumbo prawn. It commonly called as tiger prawn, jumbo prawn, and rostrum is straight and strong, and carapace smooth and well defined with antennal and hepatic spines, and hepatic carina is horizontal and straight. Exopodite is absent on fifth pleiopod. Exopodite absent in fifth pleiopod, and body with present with transverse bands, and body is present in the dark brown or reddish in color, and pleopods are brown to blue with present with distinct yellow bands on the pleopods, and it feeds both animal and plant materials, and uropods present with pale yellow to pink median transverse bands. Peneus monodon is commonly called as tiger prawn or jumbo prawn. Rostrum is straight and also strong, and carapace smooth. Carapace is smooth and well defined antennal and hepatic spines, and hepatic carina is horizontal and straight. Exopodite is absent on the fifth pleiopod, and body with transverse bands, and body is dark brown or reddish in color. Pleopods are brown to blue with present with the distinct yellow bands, and it feeds both animal and plant matter, and uropods present with pale yellow to pink color with median transverse bands, and antenna present in the dark and light in color. And next, Penis indicus, it commonly called as white prawn. Penis indicus, it commonly called as white prawn. The species shows large variation in rostral length, and it has a clear double curve with rostrum present 7 to 9 dorsal teeth and 4 to 6 ventral teeth, and adostal sulcus just reaches the first rostral tooth and shallow, and gastroorbital carina is well defined. No bands occurs on the body, and the body color is creamy white with dispersed light pigmentation. It's mostly present in the east and west coast waters, and sexual maturity attains at the reaches 130 millimeters of length, and the spawning season is October to May, and fecundity is 68,000 to 7,31,000, and they attain marketable size 80 to 100 millimeters within about 90 days, and the males attain a maximum length 228 millimeters, and females attains 184 millimeters. Penis indicus, it's commonly called as white prawn, and the species shows a large variation in rostral length. It has a clear double curve with the rostrum dorsal teeth 7 to 9 and ventral teeth 4 to 6, and the adostal sulcus just reaches the first rostral tooth, and the gastroorbital sulcus, the gastroorbital carina is well defined. No bands occurs on the body, and the color is creamy white with dispersed light pigmentation, and the species occurs mostly in the east coast and west coast waters, and sexual maturity they attains when the body reaches to 130 millimeters, and spawning season October to May, and the maximum length they attains males for 228 millimeters, and females attains 184 millimeters, and the fecundity 68,000 to 7,31,000, and they attain marketable size of 80 to 100 millimeters within 90 to 100 days of time. And next, Penis semisulcatus, it's commonly called as green tiger prawn or grooved tiger prawn. It's commonly called green tiger prawn or grooved tiger prawn. Carapace and abdomen are uniformly smooth, and these carapace have two yellow transverse bands until end of the carapace, and rostrum is straight and short. Rostrum have 7 to 8 dorsal teeth and 3 ventral teeth, and the post rostral carina is distinctly grooved, and exopod present on the exopod present on the fifth periopod. And the transverse bands may be present in the red and white or pale brown with darker bands alternating, and it mostly present in the east coast waters, and they reaches to maximum length for females 228 millimeters, and for males they reaches maximum length 180 millimeters, and they attain first sexual maturity at 54 millimeters, and It's a euryhaline and it feeds both animal and also vegetable matter. Peneus semisulcatus, it's commonly called as green tiger prawn and grooved tiger prawn. Carapace and abdomen are uniformly smooth and carapace have two yellow transverse bands up to end of the carapace and rostrum straight and short and rostrum bears 8 dorsal teeth and ventral teeth and the post-rostral carina is distinctly grooved and the transverse bands may be in red and white or pale brown with darker bands with alternating, and it mostly present in the east coast waters and they attains maximum length for females 228 millimeters, for males it 180 millimeters, and sexual maturity they attains 54 millimeters, and it's a euryhaline and it feeds both animal and also vegetable matter. And the next one, Metapeneus dobsoni. So rostrum is extending a little behind of the tip of the annular peduncle and semi-transparent reddish pigmented spots scattered on the carapace and also abdomen, and this species mostly available in the both east and west coast and commonly it's present in the southwest coast and it feeds both animal and also plant material, and emigration out of the Godavari estuary has been observed to be move on the new moon than full moon days. It's completely about the biology of France. Thank you.